What's the best credit card to own, which has no annual fee, provides a great sign-up bonus, and doesn't require an excellent credit score? Well, there are a good amount of credit cards out there, and I did my research, and I'm going to tell you about 5 credit cards that you need in my opinion right now. So let's just get right to it. Number 5 is Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. It's a good one with no annual fee, straightforward, easy to understand credit card. It gives you a 200 bonus for just signing up and spending $1,000 in first 3 months. Also, this credit card offers 0% for the first 15 months. In terms of cashback, it offers flat rate cashback of 2% on any purchase. That's all to it. No points, no activations, very easy. And by doing my research, I found the recommended credit score for this credit card is around 670 or higher. The downside to this credit card is the foreign transaction fee of 3%. If it is important for you, keep watching. I also got other options for you. The next credit card at number 4 is US Bank Altitude Go Visa Signature Card. It's a good one if you spend a lot on restaurant purchases and don't want to pay the annual fee. It gives you 20,000 bonus points for signing up and spending $1,000 within the first 3 months. So that's a $200 that you can redeem towards merchandise, gift cards, cashback, travel, and more. In terms of cashback, you get 4x points on dining, takeout, and restaurant delivery, 2x points at grocery stores, grocery delivery, gas stations, and EV charging stations, 2x points on streaming services, plus you'll get $15 credit for annual streaming purchases like Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, Apple Music, and others, and 1x points on all other eligible purchases. And for this credit card, you'll need the recommended credit score of around 700 or higher. But don't worry if you don't have such high credit score yet. In the meantime, keep on building your credit history and you'll love some other options in this video. This card has no annual fee, 0% interest for the first 12 months, and no foreign transaction fees. So if the foreign transaction fee is important for you, then this might be an option as well as the next option. The only downside with this credit card I see is their complicated rewards program, but to make your life easier, you can just use the calculator that's on their website. Also, this card isn't for everybody. If you mostly cook at home, then you probably won't be spending much on restaurants, but there are 3 more cards to go through, so we'll find the right one for you. This brings us to the next credit card at number 3, which is Discovered Balance Transfer Credit Card. It is a great credit card with high cashback for everyday purchases. It offers 5% cashback quarterly at select places throughout the year. So for example, currently you can get 5% cashback from January to March at grocery stores and gym memberships on purchases up to $1,500. Then 5% cashback from April to June at gas stations and Target on purchases up to another $1,500. Then again, 5% cashback from July to September at restaurants and when you use PayPal, and on both purchases up to another $1,500. And the last one is 5% cashback from October to December at Amazon on purchases up to another $1,500, and automatically you'll earn unlimited 1% cashback on all other purchases. So you can spend up to the quarterly maximum when you activate, which is $1,500 every quarter, which means 5% cashback on up to $6,000 in 1 year. That's $300 in 1 year. And the current sign-up offer for the new card holders is that you can get Discover to automatically match all the cashback you've earned at the end of your first year. So you could turn a $300 cashback into $600 in your first year. Also, this credit card has no annual fee, 0% interest for the first 15 months, and no foreign transaction fees. And the recommended credit score to apply is around 670 or higher. The only downside with this card is that it feels like it's very confusing and you have to think about what to buy every 3 months. This card is not for everyone, so let's go to the next one. The next credit card at number 2 is the credit card I use, which offered me the biggest credit of all, is American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card. It is just so easy. I got approved without having a big credit history and it helps me to build my credit score. This card gives you $200 back for signing up and spending $2,000 in the first 6 months. It also offers 0% interest for the the first 15 months. In terms of cashback, it offers 3% back on the first $6,000 of purchases per year at US supermarkets. After that, it will be 1% back, then 2% back on gas stations and 1% back on other purchases. The recommended credit score for this credit card is around 670 or higher. I got approved for this credit card when my credit score was 662. But the downside to this credit card is the foreign transaction fee of 2.7%. Now the number one is Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. In my opinion, it is one of the best credit cards overall because of all the benefits you get, especially for travel expenses. In terms of cashback, you'll get 5% back on travel purchases, 3% back at restaurants, 3% back on drugstores, and 1.5% back on other purchases. And it gives you $200 points just for signing up for the card and spending $500 in the first 3 months. Also, you can get 5% cash back at gas stations for the first 12 months from opening your account or until you reach $6,000 in gas purchases, depending on whichever occurs first. And for this credit card, you'll need the recommended credit score of around 670 or higher. The other benefits to this card are no annual fee and 0% interest for the first 15 months. But the downside to this credit card is the foreign transaction fee of 3%. So if this is important for you, then US Bank Altitude Go Visa Signature Card or Discovered Balance Transfer Card might be better options. No single credit card is better than all others in all categories for all people, but by understanding your options and asking the right questions, you can find the card that's the best fit for your spending habits and credit situation. So to help you find the best credit card, be sure to check your credit score, because the better your score, the greater your choice of being approved for cards with great benefits. Identify which type of credit card you need to help you improve your credit, to save money on interest, or to earn rewards. Ask yourself the right questions to narrow your choices. Do you need to look at foreign transaction fees, annual fees, or interest rates? Where do you spend your money and what type of cashback do you need? And then apply for the card that offers you the highest overall value. That's all for now. I would love to hear your thoughts on the best credit card down in the comments below. You can support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. We will see you in the next one.